Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Harbour View by the German shipyard and we're looking at the floating dock Jam Dock 1. Now guys, look at this. There is one ship on the floating dock, one to the left, one to the right, and one anchored behind it. That's 4 ships waiting to use the dry dock. This dry dock is the first of its kind in Jamaica, and what it does is it lifts the ships out of the water so you can do maintenance on them. And when it was commissioned, I think it was last year or the year before, it opened up. Basically, you could say it's a game changer for Jamaica. It opened up a whole new industry. And I mean, this thing is not cheap. It costs billions of dollars. It's a joint venture between a German company, a Turkish company, and Jamaican investors. I think Sagicor put up $6 billion towards this project. But Jamaica is ideally located in proximity to all the major shipping lanes and the Panama Canal, so ships can come here easily and get the maintenance done and leave. And there are 4 ships here at one time. So that goes to show how in demand this is. And the maritime industry in Jamaica, it's growing. You have the Caribbean Maritime Institute that's turning out students, graduating them as maritime officials. You have this dry dock, and recently a major or a large company in the US that does bunkering, which is the fueling of the ships. They are setting up an operation in Jamaica. I'm not sure if they set it up already, but they announced that they were partnering with our Jamaican company to do bunkering in Jamaica. So the maritime industry in Jamaica is growing. It's a young market, but it's growing. And the German shipyard actually has plans to bring in more dry docks. And as you can see, if they had a second one now, it would be in use. So we're going to go through an article that gives some more information on what's happening out here. Jamaica has recently enhanced its maritime capabilities with the introduction of its first floating dry dock known as Jam Dock 1. This 250-meter long Panamax-sized dock with a lifting capacity of 20,000 tons arrived in Kingston Harbour on August 24, 2023, after being towed from Germany. The facility is operated by German Ship Repair Jamaica (GSRJ), a joint venture involving German, Turkish, and Jamaican investors. It is capable of dry docking most commercial vessels visiting Jamaica, including container ships, bulk carriers, and tankers. The establishment of Jam Dock 1 is a significant milestone for Jamaica's maritime industry, positioning the country as a strategic hub for ship maintenance and repair in the Caribbean. The facility is expected to attract international vessels, reduce the need for ships to divert to distant ports for maintenance, and generate employment opportunities for skilled local workers. The Maritime Authority of Jamaica is actively developing a maritime cluster to expand services such as dry docking, bunkering, crewing, and provisioning, aiming to make Jamaican ports more attractive to global shipping operators. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.